Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make flan sauce, easy method. Begin by slowly melting 1 cup sugar until it reaches a deep amber and smells nutty. Warm 1 cup cream and add it carefully to the caramel while whisking to combine. Stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla and a pinch of salt, strain the sauce through a fine sieve, and cool slightly before pouring over custard. In this video, I will show how to make flan sauce, easy method. Maintain medium heat and patience while the sugar melts to reduce bitterness. Once the caramel is amber, remove from heat and slowly whisk in warm cream to avoid seizing or splattering. Flavor with vanilla and a small pinch of salt to balance sweetness. Strain into a clean container to remove any solids, then cool until slightly warm before using. In this video, I will show how to make flan sauce, easy method. If your caramel crystallizes, add a splash of water and reheat gently while stirring until smooth. For a separated sauce, whisk vigorously or blitz with an immersion blender to bring it back together. Keep the sauce refrigerated in a sealed jar and warm it gently over low heat or in a warm water bath to restore its silky texture before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.